Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Crystal. Today we are making dark chocolate walnut brownies. Firstly, line a square tin with parchment paper. Here I'm using a 9" by 9" square tin. It's recommended to use anything less than 9". If not, the brownie will turn out very thin. The ingredients that we'll be using are unsalted melted butter, sugar, eggs, vanilla, flour, cocoa powder, salt, milk, chopped dark chocolate and walnuts. This recipe works well with or without the walnuts and dark chocolate. If you are allergic, you can just not put them in. First, whisk together the melted butter and sugar by hand or by a handheld mixer. Whisk the mixture until it is pale and light. Remember to scrape down the bowls to ensure that all the ingredients are mixed together. Next, add in the eggs and mix well. Remember to always scrape down the bowl to make sure that all the ingredients are incorporated. Next, add in the dry ingredients. Make sure that your mixer is on low, if not, you will create an accident like me. But it's okay. Continue to whisk a little bit by hand and to slowly fold them in. Make sure to always scrape down your bowl to make sure that there are no dry ingredients on the side and on the bottom of the bowl. I measured out 3 tablespoons of milk in a tiny measuring cup. Slowly add the milk into the batter and fold each time. Slowly fold in the milk until the batter is a bit loose but not watery. Now it's time to add in your chopped chocolates and walnuts. After adding all the ingredients, I felt like the batter was still a little bit too thick, so I added the remaining milk and continued to fold until they are incorporated. Pour all the batter into the prepared tin lined with parchment paper. Spread the batter evenly to all 4 corners of the baking tin. To avoid your parchment paper from moving in the baking tin, you can spray some cooking spray or oil spray on the baking tin before placing the parchment. Make sure the batter is spread out as evenly as possible to ensure that the baking will be even. Place the brownie in the preheated oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Let the brownie cool completely before decorating. Here I'm decorating my brownie with some dark chocolate ganache. Let me know in the comments if you would like a video about this. I'm also adding a generous drizzle of salted caramel on my brownies. I also added some colorful sprinkles. And there you have it, dark chocolate and walnut brownies. Remember to like and subscribe if you like this video. Take a screenshot of the ingredient list for future reference. Thank you for watching. See you soon.